In the heart of ancient Asia, a warrior stands alone, his hand gripping a long, slender weapon, the bow staff. A chill cuts through the air, the silence of the night only broken by the rustle of leaves under the intruder's feet. The warrior's eyes burn with determination, the bow staff in his hands an extension of his will. He is the protector, the guardian of his village, and his weapon a testament to his resolve. The bow staff, an unassuming length of wood, is deceptive in its simplicity. It was born out of necessity, crafted by the hands of monks and warriors alike, to defend their homes and principles. It is not just a weapon, it is a legacy, a story of survival etched into each grain of wood. In the hands of a skilled warrior, the bow staff is a force of nature, a whirlwind of power and control. Its versatility is its strength. With a simple twist, a thrust, it can disarm an opponent or keep them at a distance. It is a weapon of precision, of strategy, demanding utmost discipline and respect from its wielder. The bow staff's history is steeped in the annals of martial arts. It is the embodiment of the martial artist's journey, the path of discipline, determination, and relentless practice. It's a testament to the spirit of the warrior, the monk, the martial artist, their resilience, and their unwavering quest for mastery. It was in the ancient dojos, amidst sweat and perseverance, that the bow staff found its true place. Under the watchful eyes of masters, generations of warriors have honed their skills, transforming the simple staff into a symbol of their power, their spirit, their story. Even today in dojos across the globe, the echoes of these ancient warriors can be heard in the swift movements of the bow staff, in the determined eyes of those who wield it. It's a dance, a battle, a story that continues to be written with every swing, every strike, every block. The bow staff, a symbol of discipline and power, continues to be a revered weapon in the world of martial arts. In another corner of the world, a weapon dances, twirling in the hands of a martial artist, its rhythmic movements deceptive in their lethality, the nunchaku. Imagine a martial artist standing tall, poised and ready, two sticks connected by a chain held in his hands. There is an air of tranquility, a moment of stillness, before the world descends into a whirlwind of motion. This is no ordinary dance, but a dangerous ballet of the nunchaku, a weapon that is as mesmerizing as it is deadly. The nunchaku finds its roots in the humble lands of Okinawa. Originally a mere farming tool, it was transformed into a weapon of self-defense in the hands of ingenious peasants. The agricultural flail, once used to thresh grain, began to echo the rhythm of battle, its movements a symphony of survival. The nunchaku's rise to popularity, particularly in the United States, can be attributed to the silver screen. When the legendary Bruce Lee twirled these weapons with unparalleled grace and speed in his films, he captivated audiences worldwide. He transformed the nunchaku from a simple tool into an emblem of martial artistry. What makes the nunchaku such a fascinating weapon is its agility and speed, paired with an unpredictability that can catch even the most seasoned fighters off guard. The two sections, connected by a cord or chain, move in harmony, creating a fluid and dynamic weapon that dances to the tune of the wielder's will. The power of the nunchaku lies not just in the strength of the user, but in the speed and momentum it can generate. A well-aimed strike can be as swift as a snake bite, catching opponents unaware and delivering devastating blows. But mastering the nunchaku is no easy feat. It requires discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of the weapon's rhythm and flow. It's a dance of danger, a ballet of battle, where one misstep can mean defeat. The nunchaku, a deadly dance of agility and speed, remains a favorite in the martial arts realm. In the shadows, a predator lurks, its claw ready to strike. In the hands of a martial artist, this claw takes the form of the Karambit. Picture this, an undercover agent lost in the labyrinth of a hostile territory. His heart pounding, senses heightened, he's on the edge, a shadow among shadows. His only companion, a piece of curved metal, a weapon born in the fertile lands of Southeast Asia, the Karambit. The Karambit's story is steeped in the traditions of the Minangkabau people of West Sumatra. Originally a farming tool, it evolved into a devastating weapon, a symbol of resistance against colonial invaders. Its design, inspired by the fierce and majestic tiger, mirrors the animal's claw, embodying the raw power of nature in a human hand. Now, in our story, the agent finds himself cornered. His opponents are closing in, but he's not afraid. He reaches into his pocket, his fingers wrapping around the familiar handle of his Karambit. It's more than a weapon, it's a part of him, an extension of his will. The Karambit is a unique tool in the martial arts world. Its curved blade, perfect for close-quarter combat, is designed to strike with lethal precision. Its ring at the end of the handle ensures a firm grip, even in the most intense situations. And perhaps most importantly, its compact size allows for easy concealment, making it the perfect weapon for our undercover agent. In his hands, the Karambit comes alive. It dances, it twists, it turns. It's a whirlwind of steel and skill, a deadly ballet of survival. Each movement is a testament to years of training, each strike a testament to the lethality of this ancient weapon. His opponents falter, retreat, and finally fall. The Karambit, in the hands of a master, is a testament to the power and precision of martial arts. It's a symbol of the resilience of the human spirit, of the will to survive against all odds. It's a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming force, the individual can prevail. The Karambit, a concealed claw of the tiger, is a formidable weapon in the hands of a skilled martial artist. From the disciplined bow staff, the agile Nunchaku, to the lethal Karambit, these weapons are more than tools of combat. They encapsulate centuries of martial arts traditions, each carrying its own unique story. The bow staff, a symbol of discipline and control, traces its roots back to the agricultural societies of Asia, where it was used by farmers as a tool and weapon. The nunchaku, agile and swift, was originally an agricultural tool used for threshing grain, later adopted as a weapon by Okinawan martial artists. The Karambit, with its claw-like blade, hails from Southeast Asia, where it was used for both utility and combat. Each of these weapons holds a significant place in the history of martial arts, serving as a testament to the resilience, creativity and discipline of the human spirit. They remind us that martial arts is not just about combat, but about mastering oneself, respecting tradition, and understanding the profound connection between the mind, body, and weapon. In the right hands, these weapons transcend their physical form, becoming an extension of the martial artist's spirit, discipline, and mastery.